Everybody. Today I'll be giving an analyst session for all my friends. It's a very special day for all of us. Today is 21st of February. So and also equally it will be my 21st lecture series. So it actually coincides with each other, like the 21st February and 21st lecture series. So today is a special day. Why? I have mentioned in my Facebook as well as in my YouTube and in also in my LinkedIn handle that today is a special day for, it is known as International Mother Language Day. Actually, today, being a Bengali, I should speak in Bengali to all of you because we are talking about mother language. So my mother language is naturally is Bengali. So in that case, I should speak in Bengali. But the thing is this: keeping in mind the larger audience, so I'll confine myself that the lecture session should go in English, because English is a kind of a language where it is being understood throughout the country as a whole. So there will be no problem for anybody. So actually, when it is being posted in the YouTube or in the Facebook or in the LinkedIn my profile, the people from all across region, all across section actually see my video. So in that scenario, it is very important to understand that being a Bengali too, I should have delivered the lecture. But obviously, there will be some points in Bengali. You will find it out. It will be a surprising note for all of you at the end of the session. Now, what do you mean by the International Day which is being observed today? Actually, International Mother Language Day is a worldwide annual observance held on 21st of February to promote the awareness of the linguistic and cultural diversity and to promote the the linguism. Now, it was first announced by the UNESCO, that is United Nation for United Nation, the UNESCO, on 17th of November 1999, and it was actually formally adopted by or recognized by United Nation General Assembly. So we all know there are two important bodies of United Nation. One is a General Assembly and another is a Security Council. So General Assembly needs to be adopt this kind of day, otherwise it will not take the form of an international mark. With the adoption of the UN resolution on the in 2002. So actually the event actually take place long back. Why this International the Mother Language Day, or we call it in Bengali as Antarjatik Mathribhasha Divas. So why it is being called as International Mother Language Day, and what is the significance of this day, and what scenario the event which took place, which has resulted that the United Nations General Assembly has to recognize as a Mother Language Day, that our Ma speaks the same language what we also speak. It is not only our own mother but also the land where we actually belongs to. So the land is also called the mother. So in this scenario, what happened is this: the respect or the affection, the love which has been shown across the globe for this day is very unique in nature. And International Mother Language Day, which has been recognized by United Nations, actually it promotes the preservation and the protection of all languages, like across the globe. Mother Language Day actually is a part of a broader initiative to promote the preservation and the protection of all languages which is used by the people of the world, as adopted by the United Nations General Assembly, and which established 2008 as the International Year of Languages. Now, this is very important to understand. The idea to celebrate the International Mother Language was the initiative of the Bangladesh. The Bangladesh, we all know, became independent in 1971. It's a breakaway country from Pakistan. Earlier, pre-1971, it was called East Pakistan. When it got independent and it formed a unified single nation, then it is known as the Bangladesh. What happened in that day in Bangladesh? Why the Bangladesh has taken this initiative, and why this day is being recognized as an international mother language day across the globe? Because many years back in 1952, on 21st of February, the anniversary of the day when the Bengali speaking country of East Pakistan, the erstwhile East Pakistan, now it is called Bangladesh, that is the Pakistan province of East Bengal, because we stay in West Bengal, which is part of India. East Bengal was, or the East Pakistan was a part of Pakistan, which is now the independent state of Bangladesh, fought for the recognition of Bengali language as an official central state language instead of a provincial language. They have said in their protest that Bengali should be introduced as a central state language in Bangladesh and it should not be used as a provincial language. So this day is being observed by the Indian Bengalis also in the states of West Bengal, Assam and Jharkhand and Tripura. So as well as the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, where actually the Bengali language is being spoken. 21st of February was declared by International Mother Language Day by the UNESCO, and the declaration came in tribute to the language movement which has been done by the Bangladeshis or the Bengali speaking origin of Bangladesh or the East Pakistan erstwhile. So when Pakistan was created in 1947, it had two geographically separate parts. One is called East Pakistan and another was the West Pakistan, which is on the western side of the India. Now the two parts are very different from each other. Why? In the sense of the culture and language, and were also being separated by India between in 1948. The government of Pakistan declared Urdu to be the sole national language of Pakistan, even though the Bengalis or the Bengali speaking people who was residing in East Pakistan was spoken by majority of the people residing in East Pakistan as well as in West Pakistan also, because there is obviously this same country, there is a migration happening between East Pakistan and the West Pakistan. The people from the Bengali origin people are going from East Pakistan or the now called Bangladesh to West Pakistan. So the East Pakistan people protested, since the majority of the population was from East Pakistan and the mother language was Bangla or the Bengali. They demanded Bangla to be at least one of the national language in addition to the Urdu. So the demand was raised first by the Dhirendranath Dutta from the East Pakistan from 23rd of February 1948 in the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. Now, in order to demolish that protest, the government of Pakistan outlawed public meetings and rallies. It means the government of Pakistan at that time banned everything, banned the public meeting, the rallies, that for the demand of the Bangla or the Bengali as an official language. The students of University of Dhaka is a very well-known university. It was also a part of British India when India was not independent at that time. University of Dhaka, University of Calcutta was very prominent universities, and many scholars came out from this University of Dhaka. The students of University of Dhaka, with the support of the public, arranged the massive rallies and the meetings. Now on 21st of February 1952, police opened fire on the rallies and the many students died on spot, with hundreds of others were heavily injured. So this was a rare incident in the history when people sacrificed their lives for their mother tongue. They laid their lives for their mother tongue. So they laid their lives first to have the right to only speak in Bengali. They're not asking for any food. They're not asking for any clothes. They're not asking for the basic necessities of life. They're asking for something to speak in their own language. That is the language of their mother. The language is Bengali. And this is the reason why that at that time the government of Pakistan openly fired on them. And there has been many lives which has been lost during this process. So the Bangladesh starts celebrating that day as the Mother Language Day or the Matribhasha Divas. Now, this is very important, that how the International Mother Language Day becomes a national, and it also becomes a national holiday in Bangladesh. They wrote a letter to Kofi Annan on 9th of January 1998 that asking him, the Kofi Annan was the Secretary General of the United Nations at that time in 1998, asking him to take a step to save the world's languages from extinction by declaring that the mother language day. And the Islam, the Rafiq Islam, which is proposed the date on the 21st of February to commemorate the 1952 killings of the Dhaka during that language movement. And subsequently, this International Language Day started its journey to become an International Mother Language Day, and we all celebrate today as Antarjatik Matribhasha Divas. So I end by saying that our language is something like Amader Desh, Apnar Desh, Apnar Bhasha, Amar Bhasha, Moder Bhasha, Bangla Bhasha. Thank you very much.